Here we are at video number 4 of the Everson Village Project Rehab that one of my mastermind students is doing. Now remember, if you want to see the other 3 previous videos, just go to the description below and you'll see the links that take you to the other 3 videos. The best part about this project is that we're taking you from demolition to completion. And right now in video number 4, we're at the part where we're going through the actual painting of the property and the flooring in the property. So let's go ahead inside and see what's going on. Hey everybody, this is Charles Blair, the mad scientist, with mastermind student extraordinaire,
George Hockaday Bear.
And as you can see, guys, this project is coming to fruition. Look around, Leslie, show them the actual walls that's been painted and the flooring and everything. Now, if you recall in the last video, we had the framing up, we had the actual insulation in, we had the actual sheetrock, we've already had mud and tape done, and now you guys done your painting, flooring, and I see light fixtures and I see doors. Let's walk around. So basically tell me, what was the process like with your painting? How long did that take to get your painting done and your flooring in?
I would say probably 2 weeks to do the mud, to finish up the mud and the paint and so on and so forth. Normally a paint job like this takes about a week, but you know, as they go and working, like they start on the floors and they actually had tile in one of the bathrooms upstairs, so I should have the basement bathroom started soon, and the cabinets are actually coming later today.
Gotcha. So we're at the process right now. You're gonna put your hardware on when you get your floor, your actual cabinets and stuff up as well. Nice, nice. Let's go ahead and walk down the basement. Now, if I recall, this is going to be one of the bedrooms.
Yep.
Okay.
Put the window in there right there. Haven't permitted it yet. Wait.
Got it. Got your recessed lighting in. Let's talk a little bit about your supplies, materials. Where'd you go to get your paint from?
Home Depot for the paint.
So you went to Wood Floors Plus?
Yep, I got the floors here from Wood Floors Plus. The ceramic tile, I forgot what I got from Home Depot or Lowe's. And then the paint we got from Home Depot.
Got it. So you're talking about, you said about 4-6 more weeks before you finish?
Well, yeah, probably just not a hard work. Like the cabinets will be in today. Then we got to get the granite fabricated. Then we got to do the trim work. So it'll be back and forth, and then we got to figure out the exterior. So we're hoping to be done with the exterior and the interior in about a week or 2 weeks.
Got it. So let's go upstairs, take a look upstairs, walk out and let them know what they're going to be doing on the actual outside, and we'll take it from there. Okay, now we're at the exterior of the property. George, tell us exactly what you plan on doing here.
It's still kind of in the air. We were thinking about if we were going to extend the deck or just make it a Trex deck there. So we have 3 decisions to make. Where we're going to do a 6-foot privacy fence all the way around, cut that tree, and extend that deck. And those are what we're going to be trying to figure out on the exterior.
So you're going for probably at the most, you probably go to top the market when this one is done, right?
Yeah, so that's why we would like to do this. So I'm probably going to end up pushing the deck out.
And what I've seen with appreciation, I like the idea of pushing the deck out.
Okay.
I really do.
There it is. We're pushing the deck out.
You know what I'm saying? Not to mention what I've seen in appreciation in this area It's going up almost 35% in the last 12 months. So this is a real hot area of Evanston Village. Do you have any other projects in this area you're working on?
No. I have projects over in Park Heights.
Gotcha.
Four over there.
Okay, 4 projects in Park Heights. Why you love Park Heights so much?
I just happen to get the deal over there. I'm not partial to the neighborhood.
Right.
It's just that's just where I happen to be marketing and worked out a deal at. So.
Okay. So as you heard it first, guys, this is Charles Blair, the mad scientist with Mastermind Student Extraordinaire.
George Hockaday Bay.
And now we're at video number 4. It's a wrap.